Don't lose your strength after 60. 3 daily habits that protect it. In the first video, you measured your aging. In the second, you started improving it. But now comes the most important question of all. How do you make sure you never go backward again? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people who improve their strength after 60 lose that progress within a few months, not because they're lazy, but because they don't protect it. After 60, strength disappears faster than it builds. So the real question isn't, how do I get stronger? It's, how do I stay strong for the next 10 or 20 years? Today, I'm going to show you 3 daily habits that protect your strength, preserve your independence, and slow functional aging long-term. These are not extreme, they are sustainable, and they are backed by science. Habit 1. Move every day, even on rest days. Many people think, if I exercised yesterday, I've done enough. But the human body thrives on frequent movement. Long periods of sitting reduce circulation, muscle activation, joint lubrication, insulin sensitivity. Even people who exercise regularly can experience negative effects from prolonged sitting. So here's a simple rule. Move every hour. Stand up, stretch, walk across the room, roll your shoulders. It takes 60 seconds, but it keeps your metabolism awake. Daily walking is especially powerful. Just 15 to 20 minutes per day supports heart health, brain function, mood stability, bone strength. Movement is not punishment, it is nourishment, and consistency beats intensity every time. Habit 2. Protect muscle with smart eating. Muscle becomes more precious after 60. It stabilizes your balance, supports your spine, protects your joints, regulates blood sugar. But here's something many people don't realize. As we age, muscles become less sensitive to protein. That means older adults often need slightly more protein, not extreme amounts, but consistent intake. Aim for a quality protein source at each meal. Eggs, yogurt, fish, beans, chicken, lentils. You don't need large portions, you need regularity. Also focus on whole foods, fiber, healthy fats, proper hydration, and reduce ultra-processed foods, excess sugar, and refined carbohydrates. These increase inflammation, and chronic inflammation accelerates aging internally. Food is not just fuel, it is instruction for your cells, and the right instructions preserve strength. Mid-video re-engagement trigger. If you're still watching right now, that tells me something important. You care about staying independent, and that alone already puts you ahead of most people your age. Let's continue. Habit 3. Protect sleep like it's medicine. Habit number 3 may be the most underestimated of all, and it's the one many people ignore. Sleep is where repair happens. During deep sleep, muscles recover, hormones regulate, brain toxins clear, inflammation decreases. Poor sleep accelerates biological aging markers. Yet many adults over 60 struggle with sleep because of heavy late dinners, late-night screen use, irregular schedules, and reduced daytime movement. Here's a simple improvement strategy. Eat lighter in the evening. Dim lights 1 hour before bed. Keep a consistent sleep time. Get morning sunlight exposure. Sleep is not laziness, it is biological maintenance. When you protect sleep, you protect your aging speed. The difference between strong 70-year-olds and frail ones. The strongest seniors are not necessarily the most athletic, they are the most consistent. They do not rely on motivation, they rely on routine. They treat movement like brushing their teeth, non-negotiable. Aging accelerates when we stop challenging ourselves. It slows when we stay engaged. Stay physically active, stay mentally curious, stay socially connected. Social isolation increases health risks significantly. Call a friend, join a walking group, engage with family. Your brain ages socially as well as physically. The complete three-phase system. Let's review your full journey. Phase 1. Assess. You measured your strength and balance. Phase 2. Improve. You followed a 30-day plan to build strength. Phase 3. Protect. You build daily habits that preserve those gains. This is how functional aging slows down, not through miracle supplements, not through extreme workouts, but through sustainable habits repeated daily. Why this matters? Independence is dignity. Being able to stand easily, climb stairs confidently, carry groceries, travel without fear of falling. These are not small things. They define quality of life. The difference between aging quickly and aging powerfully is often measured in small daily decisions. 5 minutes of movement, balanced meals, consistent sleep, small habits, large impact. Final encouragement. You cannot stop the calendar, but you can influence how your body responds to it. Your muscles are listening, your heart is adapting, your brain is responding. Aging is not passive, it is interactive. And now you have the complete system. Test yourself, improve yourself, protect yourself. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, start there first. That's where your real aging score begins. And if you completed this 3-part journey with me, write "protected" in the comments. Because strength after 60 is not luck, it is habit. And habits build powerful aging.